Welcome back, YouTube fans. What we're doing in this video is simply just inspecting the new solar panels which we got in from Signature Solar. Anytime you get a shipment from any company, if it's going to be very large, you want to make sure you do that inspection as soon as possible, typically within the first 24 hours, so that you can let the company know if there's any damages or any other claims that need to be done against that to get those items fixed, repaired, or replaced. And we're just kind of taking the cellophane and cardboard off in this section of the video. And from there, we're going to move on to the actual inspection of the solar panels. You'll want to see that when you're looking at your new solar panel, especially you're going to order it, you're going to have it shipped. Sometimes things can get broken along the way. So what you really want to do is inspect each panel and look for any broken glass, any cracks, any visible damage that you can easily detect with your eye. And this is really the time to do it. You definitely want to do this in broad daylight. Because doing this in the dark with a flashlight, you're not going to see the same things that you would in the night. So, if you like what you saw, please subscribe and click the like on the video, and of course, hit the bell icon to receive notifications. And please don't forget to share some of the videos that we have. We're really trying to get the word out there that you can have solar and for battery backup or whatever purpose without having to spend, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70,000. And you can save a lot, and you can get rid of your energy bill without having to have a second mortgage on your house. We are not currently a sponsored channel. This is just one of those things that we're doing for ourselves and for others to learn from. So again, hope to see you come back to watch more videos in the future. Thank you.